Narasus Saradi Institute of Technology, ranked 43 among 530 engineering colleges. The vision of the college is with education and ethics, the college creates excellence. It aims to impart quality education combined with ethical values, the two qualities that are in congruence with nation development. The vision of the college is to provide engineers who think out of box and can act as cohesive link between administrative and executive machinery of the country. And the mission of the institution is to impart value based education to students from both the rural and urban areas and to train them into technically competent. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered are Mechanical Engineering, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and Civil Engineering. The cutoff marks for various castes and various departments: for OC 84 to 140, for BCM 80 to 106, for BC 96 to 101, for MBC 78 to 128, for SC 86 to 113. The facilities are sports at NSIT. Leave no stone unturned in ensuring that the students of the college always have a ventilation from academic pressures by regularly engaging in some form of physical activity and sport. College organizes inter-college and university level sports competitions to bring out the sportsmanship in the students. College has excellent sport infrastructure. The very sight of the expansive playgrounds and indoor courts give an adrenaline rush. Cafeteria. One cannot think well, love well, sleep well if one has not dined well. All meals and refreshments are served with nominal pricing. Cafeteria is spacious, airy, and big enough to seat around 1000 students at a time. A variety of food choices such as healthy South Indian meals and daily specials. It has also an extensive variety of ice creams, beverages, and snacks. The cafeteria has hygienic surrounding and it is well maintained by the quality staffs. It is environment friendly and the food is served in biodegradable plates and cups. It makes the local produced vegetables and food material, thereby supporting the local market. The biodegradable waste is used to create compost and water is recycled after proper treatment. It is a green canteen with features like natural lighting, low flowing water faucets. And the other facilities are transport, women's and men's hostels, library, scholarships, and clubs. The major recruiters are Vernalis, Equitas, Edelweiss, Foxconn, Tata Consultancy Services, Intellinet, Gbox, Tech Mahindra, HGS, V Technologies, Another Jodi Industries, CMS, Solartis, BS, PVS, Eureka Forbes, Wipro, Aspire Systems, Axis Global Automation, Whale Associates, Next on Top, Vita Industries, East India Technologies, Paragon, Schneider Electric, CSS Corp, Chola MS, IDBI Federal, Align, Cognizant, Bayfort, Aegis, Cytec, Horizon Secure Private Limited, Alvin, and many more. Result comparison from 2013 to 2017: 78% in 2013, again 78 in 2014, 69 in 2015, 53 in 2016, and again 56 in 2017. College counseling code is 2639. Contact college at 9344 972275 or 7397 756003 or 9367 622336. Website is www.nsit.edu.in. College is located in Pusaripatti, Omalur, Salem district, Tamil Nadu, and the mail ID is admin@nsit.edu.in.